Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install the updated version of the EM Player application on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. Let's get into the video. We'll do that in 2 steps. The first step is we're going to ensure you can install apps from unknown sources and you can install unknown apps. That will be done in settings. So hop over to quick settings, hop over to all settings, and you're going to go to system, about, and go down the list to find OS build. So click on your build number 7 times and that will enable developers options. Developers options just means you're going to be able to install apps from unknown sources. So click on this 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and now you should have become a developer. So you see the message on your screen telling you you're not a developer. If you've done that, just exit and come over to step 2. In step 2, we'll be using the unlinked application. If you do not have this application, check the link in the description for a tutorial that will show you how to get it. But when you have the app, open it up. So EV everything. If you use a suggestion like I've just used at the top bar, you have to cancel out the space that comes at the end. And now this is everything library. Just come over here, go to media players and click on the AM player. I've already downloaded it, so when you click on this, you see a download button to download. And after download is done, you find this install app popping up automatically. Click on install application, and at this point, you can find the install button. However, if this is your first time, you see a message saying allow apps to install from unknown sources or allow unknown apps. In response to that message, you just go down to the list and find the unlinked application. Reason being, you're using the unlinked application to install that application. So go to the unlinked app and toggle it on to give that app permission to install apps from unknown sources or install unknown apps. After that, click on install and give this a couple of seconds. You have the app ready in your app library. So as you can see, the app has been installed and I can access it from my app library. So if you found that insightful, if you found that informative, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with content just like this.